Why do 80% of athletes believe nutrition is key to performance? Because it is. Here's how you can fuel your fitness journey. Start your day with a power-packed breakfast. Think oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a spoonful of almond butter. Perfect for sustained energy. For lunch, go for a quinoa salad loaded with veggies, grilled chicken, and a dash of olive oil. Delicious and packed with protein. Need a snack? Grab a handful of nuts or a Greek yogurt with honey. Protein and healthy fats ready to go. Dinner time? Keep it simple with salmon, sweet potatoes, and steamed broccoli. A balanced meal to help those muscles recover. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is your best friend. Consider adding a slice of lemon for that extra zing. Remember, fuel your body right, and your workouts will thank you. Stay fit, stay strong. You've got this.